Hello fellow student of class 9th. Continuing with our discussion, let's take the rectangular drainage pattern. In this type of drainage pattern, the tributary stream join the main river at almost right angles. It resembles the trellis drainage pattern, but it develops in those areas where the joints in the rock structure form a rectangular pattern. In this type of rectangular pattern, the stream are more closely spaced than in the trellis pattern. So there is a similarity with the trellis drainage pattern with the rectangular drainage pattern. Next is the radial drainage pattern. In this pattern, the stream radiate or flow in different direction from a central peak or a dome-like structure like the spoke of a wheel. The stream follows the slope of the land. So these are the four important type of drainage pattern. A stream flowing in the direction of the slope or as a consequence of the slope is called the consequent stream. The river which existed before the formation of the Himalaya in India have cut their courses southward by making gorges in the mountain are known as the antecedent river. So this is the river which was existed before the formation of Himalayas. These are very ancient rivers. So I think you have got the drainage pattern. Now we will study the Himalayan rivers and then we will study the peninsular rivers. So first take the Himalayan rivers, in which type of river we will study. The Himalayan river system mainly include the basin areas of Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra river. So in the Himalayan river, these three important rivers are there, that is Indus, the river Ganga and the Brahmaputra river. These rivers have great socio-economic and cultural importance in the life of the Indians. Now, number 1 point. Most of the Himalayan river are perennial, that is they have water throughout the year. Perennial river means those rivers having water throughout the year. These rivers are fed by rain during the monsoon season and also by the melting of snow during the summer season. This is the reason why they have water throughout the year, due to monsoon or melting of snow. So number 1 point. Number 2. The Himalayan rivers have long courses and continuously perform intensive erosional activity. So these are very long rivers and they perform erosional activity as well. Number 3. Most of these rivers are older than the mountain they traverse. So these are very ancient rivers. Number 4. The erosional and depositional work of the Himalayan river is evident from the huge amount of sand and silt transported by this river annually. This is another important feature. These rivers also form meanders, oxbow lakes and many other depositional features in their floodplain. The Himalayan river also build well-developed deltas. So they have the ability to form meanders as well as delta. Okay. So these are important characteristic of the Himalayan rivers. Now first is discuss the Indus river system. Then we will discuss the Ganga river system and then we will discuss the Brahmaputra river system. First is the Indus river system. Let's take this Indus river system. So see in this map page number 148. This is your Indus river. This Indus river originates from a glacier in the Kailash range near the Mansarovar lake in western Tibet. Here this is the originating point of the Indus river. This place is more than 5,000 meters above the mean sea level from its place of origin. The Indus river flow in the northwest direction in the Trans-Himalayan region. This is the area, Trans-Himalayan region. The river enters India in the Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir state. The Indus river flow in the same northwest direction between the Ladakh and Jaskar mountain ranges and forms a beautiful gorge near Gilgit in Jammu and Kashmir state. So this is the pattern of Indus river. In next video we will discuss more about it. Thank you, student.